Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mehul Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on Java programming tutorial series. In this video I will discuss about continue keyword. Okay, so this continue keyword is most of the times used in looping constructs, whether we work with while loop, do while loop, for each loop. Okay, so we can use this keyword, continue keyword, in any of these loops. This continue keyword is used to immediately jump to the next iterations. Okay, so suppose there is a loop, we have taken a for loop and we are going to iterate some 10 numbers. Okay, and in those 10 numbers I want to skip one of the iterations. Suppose I want to skip the 6th iteration. Out of 10 iterations I want to skip 6th iteration, then I want to display the remaining iterations from 1 to 5, and I will skip the 6th iteration, and then I will again start iterating the loop from 7th iteration, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Okay, so in that case we can use continue keyword. So continue keyword is used in looping constructs like for loop, then while loop, do while loop. It allows the users to immediately jump to the next iteration within that loop. Okay, so now let us try to understand the continue keyword in a better way with the help of an example. Okay, so what I will do is I will write a program where I will display some set of numbers, where I will iterate the numbers, iterate the for loop, and I will skip any of the iteration. Okay, so now let's right click, project name, and then click on Java class, then continue keyword. Okay, so our file is created, and now let's first import our input output package, java.io.star. okay, and then let's come here and then public static void main, and then string args. Okay, and then we'll put the entire code into try and catch block. Okay, exception key, and then system.out.println exception, and then error, and then here our error. Okay, so now let us create an integer variable n, and then create an object of data input stream, which is dis. Okay, and then new data input stream system.out system.in. okay, then we'll take the value from the user, system.out.println, say enter the limit. Okay, and then we'll hold that value teaser.parse int, and then dis.readline. okay, and then again I will type system.out.println. okay, so here I will display even numbers. Even numbers are okay, and then I will use a for loop. Okay, and then int I equals to 0, I is less than or equals to our limit. Okay, and then I plus plus. Okay, here I will check. Okay, I will use an if condition to get only those numbers which are even numbers. Okay, so if I mod 2 is equals to 0, okay, then if I is equals to 10, okay, then I will continue. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm skipping the 10th iteration. Okay, so I'm jumping from the 10th iteration to the 11th iteration. So while printing, finally when I'll be printing the numbers, so I will be skipping or I'll be jumping the 10th iteration. That means the value of 10 will not get displayed, okay, as an output. Okay, now let me print system dot out dot print ln I. Okay, sorry, I. Okay, now okay, so here I have taken an integer variable and then I have created the object of data input stream class. Okay, and here I am asking for the user to enter the limit. Okay, so now the limit will be the number for till then the iteration will get taken out. Okay, suppose I will enter 20 as the limit, then the for loop will work to display the even numbers for 20 times. Okay, now here I have written a for loop, okay, which gets start from the value of 0 and will keep on continue until the limit. Okay, and then here I am asking, so here I am checking whether the number is divisible by 2. If the number is divisible by 2, then that number can be considered and it will come inside here, and then that number will be printed out. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, and now let's build it. Okay, now let's run the file. Okay, now here I am, it's asking me to enter the limit, so I will just type 20, and the moment when I hit 20, it start displaying all the even numbers. Okay, so now let me just change it to 1, save it, and now let's run the file once again. Okay, again it's asking me to enter the values. I will enter the value of 20, and now you can see it's displaying me all the numbers, even numbers from 2 to 20, but here in these numbers you cannot find the value of 10. Okay, so 10 is also an even number, but it's not displaying the 10 number because that is the 10th iteration. Okay, so here in this program I have mentioned whenever our for loop reaches to the 10th iteration, so it will jump that iteration and it will print the rest of the other iterations. Okay, so it will display other numbers. Okay, so that's why here you can see in the output 10 is not displaying. Okay, but all the other even numbers are displaying. So if I change it to 12, save it, and when I run once again and I will type the same number, so here you can see now 10 is displaying but 20 is skipped, or 12 is skipped, or 12th iteration is jumped. Okay, so this is how we can use continue keyword for jumping certain iterations. Okay, so This is the complete explanation of continue keyword. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching.